An old man named Harry used to live in a village situated on a river bank. He had an only son named Louis, who had been married to a woman named Diana. Diana knew the language of animals and birds, but her husband and father-in-law were unaware of it. One night, Louis and Diana were in their bedroom half asleep. Diana heard a jackal's call. It was saying,
"A corpse is floating down in the river. It has a precious diamond ring and a finger. Someone take the ring and give me corpse to eat."
Diana got up and walked towards the river. Louis sensed his wife leaving. He got up and followed her. The wife dragged out the dead body. The body was bloated, so Diana put the finger in her mouth and took off the ring by her teeth. Louis watched it from behind a tree. In the morning, he told everything to his father. Harry advised,
"If she is witch, you must leave her in a forest on some pretext. Let wild beasts eat her."
The next day, Louis set out with his wife for the forest. They stopped to take a breather under a tree. A snake came out and spoke.
"O travelers! A frog sleeps in under the mound. You see there in front of you. And right below it there is a great royal treasure. Take that frog out to feed me, then claim the treasure."
Diana walked to the mound and started digging. Louis trembled as he thought the witch was digging a grave for him. She threw the frog to the snake. She dug some more and called out to her husband, "Come and see! What is down here?" Louis was stunned to see a treasure. He asked,
"How did you know about the treasure?"
His wife replied, "I know the language of animals and birds. The snake told about this treasure. And one night a jackal informed about the diamond ring." She showed the precious ring to her husband. Now Louis realized the truth. He said to her,
"Let us take this treasure home."
When they reached near their house, Louis spoke.
"Father will get angry if he sees you coming back. So you enter from the back door."
Diana proceeded towards the back door. When the old man saw her coming, he thought that the witch had come after eating his son. In confusion and fear, he hit Diana with his stick and killed her. Louis revealed the truth to his father. and both sat down in grief, feeling guilty of murder. Moral: one should think before acting.